little princess. Like I said, the makeup will be light, and that's on Pete. Slick. Maybe because I worked out and it just has sweat in it, probably. What? I'm gonna do some. Okay guys, so I'm rushing, but I just want to say what's up lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, you know what this video is about, getting ready with me, and this is the finishing look. So if you're interested in this, let me take my glasses off, I'm being too cool. But if you're interested in this look, please definitely stay tuned. I have so many more videos coming. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all of my social medias, and just let's get right into this video. All right guys, all right you guys, so I'm sorry if you can hear my fan, but my room is too hot. So I'm going to start taking down my braids, and I'm filming a get ready with me, and it's going to be kind of talking through whatever, but I literally don't know what to talk about, so yeah. But I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my friends. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my, it's super hot outside, so I'm doing a light makeup look, and I'm doing like a pulled back ponytail, but you probably already seen that from the title or the thumbnail. So yeah, now I'm just gonna moisturize my face. I already put sunscreen on my face, and if you have eczema, I really do suggest you put sunscreen on your face every day, even if it's in the winter, because that's what I do. Because if you don't, like, you'll get light patches, and I already get like a lot of heat bumps. As you can probably see, I have like textured skin, so I definitely suggest you put sunscreen, because when the sun comes and hits your face, it makes like light patches where like your skin is super dry, and then your skin is just super uneven. So that's what I do to help with my eczema, face, skin, you know. And then I just put on this Eucrisa. I've talked about this in other videos. I don't know which one. If I remember, I'll put it right here. I'm sorry for the messy background as well. So, but yeah. So I put on my, I'll show you, my Neutrogena sunscreen, and then I just put on my Eucrisa for a face moisturizer, and now I'm just gonna put on some Vaseline to moisturize the lips. All right, and my hair got a little wet in the shower, but so yeah, like I was saying, I am going to go out to eat with my friends, and it is super hot outside. We're going to the boathouse, but it's like 90 degrees, so I'm definitely not gonna be putting on like a whole bunch of makeup. So if that's what you're looking for in this video, no. I might do a little vlog, but not a lot, because I just want to enjoy their time. And I found out yesterday that one of my friends, she is going to Hampton, and their school, wow, my hair looks crusty, but their school just got canceled basically. Like, they're only doing virtual learning, and I'm just hoping and praying that that's not the case for me, because I really want to go. I mean, like, of course I'm gonna miss my family, but I still want to get the college experience. And yeah, I feel really bad for her, because like, it's dead, like she's not going. Like, for me at least, they're still planning on going, but they said that they will know by like the beginning of July. So it's the beginning of July, if you didn't know. I don't know when this video is going to be posted, but it is the beginning of July now, so I should be hearing from them very soon, and hopefully it's good news, hopefully. But yeah, so I'm probably just going to speed this part up, because it's just taking out my hair, and my hair looks really crusty, even though it's not. It's just the color, I think. By the way guys, I'm just watching some YouTube while I take down all of this hair. And if you want to, I've been saying this, but if you actually do want to see like my hair growth journey, because I'll insert a picture of what my hair used to look like, yeah. So my hair has definitely come a long way, but it took some hard work. So if you want that, like, that video, let me know. Alright y'all, so this is what the lion hair looks like after taking it down to braids. My scalp itches, but I just oiled it yesterday, so maybe because I worked out and it just has sweat in it, probably. Sounds about right, but yeah, this is how it looks. I am going to be doing a sleek back ponytail because I think it's going to go good with this dress that I have picked out. So I wasn't in my notes, so don't come for me. But yeah, so link check. You guys probably don't care. But yeah, so I am going to start. I'm going to start by parting it just again so it can be like perfectly straight down the middle. Alright, so I'm just parting my hair off in sections because I have a lot. And I just want to make sure everything is sleek in the end. Don't worry, you're going to still see the part at the end. I just did this for, I don't know, what am I saying? You probably already clicked off the video. Hopefully you didn't. But I'm about to go get some water. I'm gonna get some water. I'm literally almost out of gel, so I really need to stop by the beauty supply. But some gel, and that's it. All right, but back to talking about school, and I really want to go back. Want to go to school. I mean, I love being at home. I love being with my parents, but it's like it's time for me to go. It is, but I'm not saying I'm not going to get homesick because I know I will. Like, I know that I'm going to get homesick, but I can just fly back if I'm homesick. But like, if school is virtual, I can't fly there. Like, it's not like a thing. So I don't know, y'all. I'm just hoping and praying that my school doesn't cancel and we still have like the experience, the college experience, because like, I don't know, but I think y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I still want to have the college experience. I still want to go to school, even if it's like some classes I will have to take online and I won't have, and I can't go to every class every time and stuff like that. Like, I understand that.
And
sorry, but like, I get that. So that's what I want. Let me know down in the comments if you're in college or if you're going to college, and if you know if you're going back or not, or if you don't know, or if you want to or if you don't want to. Just let me know your feedback because I'll be happy to hear it. So yeah, got the back section done. Slick. Alright y'all, so I just did this part off camera, but now I'm about to do the section, and I was just listening and watching the new song that, this is annoying, I bet. The new song that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cut all of this. The new song that, not, I want to call her Kehlani, but it's not Kehlani, it's what's her name? Saweetie. I was just watching her new freestyle and her video. It was good. I actually liked it. But I like Saweetie. She reminds me of a mix between Kehlani, not in music wise, but just like looks. Ooh, I need to get my nails redone. Look, can you see it? If you ever had dip if you ever get dip nails on like your regular nails, after a couple weeks, like they will still be on, like you can see they're still on, but like they start to lift up, and that's what's really bad, because like when they start to lift up, then when you comb your hair or do anything with your hair gets caught in like the beginning of it. It's just so annoying. So I definitely need to reschedule me an appointment for my nails. I didn't get pink, but I don't know, because I just got green because I went on a trip. And if you haven't seen my Miami vlog, I am gonna post it right here, but definitely go check that out. But yeah, but that's why I got green, because I was going to Miami and I just wanted to be festive. But yeah, so I'm almost done with my hair. All I have to do now is just do my baby hairs. Yeah. So my forehead is looking hecka big, but once I do my baby hairs, they'll look 100 times better. No, it won't. It will look like 2 times better. My forehead is still gonna be big, but it's gonna look a little bit smaller. And I don't know if I want to wear my hair out, because I thought it was gonna be more crinkly because I had it braided, but it's not. So I might just do a bun, or I'll just leave it out. I don't know yet. For now, it is going to be a bun because I just wanted to get out the way. So like so. Whew. It's a lot of talking. I'm not a big talker, so. Alright y'all, so this is how the baby hairs are looking. Now I'm just going to tie them down while I start doing my makeup. Like I said, the makeup will be light, and that's on Pete. So why is my thing lagging? Okay, what? Moving on, I'm just going to be putting, I'm sorry for looking off, I'm trying to see what I want. This concealer, I got it from the drugstore, so I don't really know what this is called. It's not great, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer right here because I do have dark spots, dark under eyes, and I just don't want to look dead. But that's really all I do. And then I am coming in with a little brush that I really need to clean because look how dirty this is. But this brush is buffing brush from Real Techniques. Pretty sure I got this like a couple years ago from Marshalls or like TJ Maxx or something. I ordered some more brushes from AliExpress. I know, it's where I live. But I did order some more brushes from AliExpress, but of course they have not came yet because it's AliExpress. But if you like AliExpress, because I like AliExpress, like I always shop there, even though I talk trash about them all the time. It's funny, kind of. Even though I talk trash about them, I still shop there. So check out my videos because I have videos about them as well. But okay, so that's good enough for me. We're not going to do a whole lot. That's good. That's tea. This is tea. So now what I'm going to do is just cut up some eyelashes and put them on. I'm not going to show this on camera because who got time for that? Y'all don't want to see that. But I'm just gonna cut them up and then put them on like individuals because I like that look way more than the lash strips. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I just did the lashes. This is how they look. What's T? But it is 11:20 and I'm supposed to be there at 12 o'clock. So I really need to get a move on it. But what I'm about to do now is just my lips, and I've been having a lot of trouble with my lips. Like, I don't know, like I used to be able to make these amazing combos and I used to wear them all the time, but now it's like, I don't know. Like, I just can't find the right lip stuff that I like. I don't know. But I'm putting on this Too Faced Melted Latex lip color, and it is the color Peekaboo. But this is what I'm putting on. I am wearing a pink dress, so hopefully this goes with it. I know it's crazy right now, but just wait. I haven't tried this lip combo, so let's see.
Oh, hell no!
I hate it. It's way too pink. Like, I don't know. I was having trouble with that. So if you have any suggestions on lip combos, please let me know in the description box. This has to go. Oh. So that's gone, and now I'm just gonna add this brown like lip gloss because I don't have time, honestly. So we just put on some gloss and call it a day. But I need to go, and I don't feel like getting the other things, so now I am just adding this glow highlighter from NYX or NYX, whatever you call it. But it's just some highlighter for my face. That's tea. I think I'm gonna keep the bun look because it looks kind of classy, but it's kind of like a messy, classy bun. So that's what I think I'm gonna keep. Yeah, little princess. All right, guys. So now I'm about to lotion up and put on my dress, and then come back and show you the look. Okay, guys. So this is the finishing look. I am so sorry for my messy room, but a little outfit check. These sunglasses, I'm out of breath because I'm rushing because it's like 2:45. So, but I mean 10:45, 12, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, but I have 15 minutes. But these glasses are from AliExpress, super cute. This dress is from H&M. I got this from H&M. This bag is Christian Dior, and these shoes are Chanel with a little ankle bracelet that I don't know where I got that from. But yes, hopefully I can take some pics today and just have a nice little lunch with my friends. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.